Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to capture a screenshot on the LENOVO K5 Play. Whatever content you wish to capture is currently on the screen. Then you can press the volume down and power buttons to capture a screenshot. You can also hold these buttons to enter cutout mode, where you can cut out any unwanted content and then choose to either save or cancel the screenshot. Another option is to slide up from the very bottom of the screen and choose the screenshot option. Afterwards, the screenshots can be found in the Photos app. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.